Yes, chocolate ice cream. First, pour 2 cups of heavy cream into a large bowl. Add half a cup of sifted cocoa. Next, fold in some rich chocolate chunks. Freeze for 6 hours and enjoy your delicious treat. Let's make delicious strawberry ice cream. First, pour in 2 cups of heavy cream. Now add sweet condensed milk and fresh puree. Whisk it all up until it's super smooth. Freeze it and serve with a fresh strawberry on top. Let's make mango ice cream. Add mango cubes, cream, condensed milk. Blend it until it's perfectly smooth. Pour the mixture into the molds. Now freeze them overnight. Top with fresh mango and enjoy.